Hey guys, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Miss Armstrong and I will be your 5th grade math teacher. I know we are all so excited for you guys to be back at school this year. So whether you are learning from me online or in person, I'm very excited to have you in my class this year. So this is going to be our first activity that we are going to do for the school year. So this is called Figure Me Out. Normally, if we were in the classroom, I would give you guys the handout. You guys would fill in the answers and then cover it up with sticky notes, write a math equation on it, and then we would swap papers. But since we're doing this virtually this year, we're going to change it up just a little bit. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you'll see the PDF on this assignment. You will need to print that out. Now, if you don't have a printer, that's totally fine. Miss Armstrong doesn't have a printer at home, so I did mine on construction paper. You can use it on a piece of paper. We're not going to stress this year. We're going to work with what we have, and that is how we're going to do things. The biggest, most important part of this year is we're just not going to stress about the little things. If you are concerned about me saying something and you don't have what I said at home, just communicate with me, and you can see my contact information in the folder. We just need to be in communication with each other. We're not going to stress because you don't have a printer at home. That's totally fine. So we're going to get to know each other mathematically this year. This is my video example that I promised you guys in my directions. So you're going to be able to figure me out. Then you're going to make a video of yourself so we can figure you out mathematically. So let me show you guys my construction paper. So this is mine. It says Figure Me Out. The first thing on here is my age, but Miss Armstrong isn't ever going to tell you her age, so I'm not going to answer that, but I would like for you guys to. So you can guess all year to try to figure out how old I am, and if you get it right, I might tell you, or I might not. Miss Armstrong doesn't like to give away her age. The second thing on here is my shoe size. So I said my shoe size is 3 times 3. These are the sticky notes I have. This is an A for either Ashlyn or Armstrong because both of my first and last names start with an A, so I was looking at that kind of confused. So my shoe size is 3 times 3. The next thing on here is my birth month, so that would be 12 minus 9. Also, I want you to think about what birth month was Miss Armstrong born in. It's 12 minus 9. After that, we have my birth date. That is the date part of it. It's not the month, just the day. So mine is 1 plus 1. Here is a picture I drew of me. I'm not an artist, but I try my best. I don't stop. I don't say, ugh, I'm not going to draw a picture of me. I do the best I can, and this is the best I can do. The next part of this is the number of people in my family. I just included the people that live in my household with me, not my extended family, but you're more than welcome to add anyone in your family that you want to. I'm not going to say you have to just pick the people in your family. I have more people that I consider really close to me in my family, but I just included the people that live here with me. I'll go into a little detail about this one. So I put 3 times 1. I live with my mom and dad still, so it's just the 3 of us that live here now. So that is my 3 times 1. That is the people that live here with me. I do have other family that I am super close to, and I didn't want to start just adding up a whole bunch of people and then forgetting someone. So I just personally decided I was only going to pick the people that live here with me, but you are more than welcome to pick as many people as you want to. The next thing on my list is the number of letters in my name. I just picked my first name. I said it earlier in the video. My first name is Ashlyn, but some people don't spell that the same as I do. On this one, I did add more than one step to the problem. So it's 3 plus 3 plus 1. Now, I'll allow you guys to do a multi-step problem, but don't do more than 2 steps, because later on this year we're going to learn the order of operations, and I don't want you guys to write things out of order and us get confused because your order wasn't right and people are doing it all wrong. So if you're going to do it, it'd be best if you did it with addition, but I'm not going to limit you guys to that. So that is just for my first name, not my full name. The next thing on here is the number of pets I own. I'll go into detail about that one too. I do not own any pets, so if you want to tell me all about your pets, I would really like to hear about them because I don't have any here. And I really do want to know what animals and pets you have at your house. So please share that with me. And the last thing on here is the number of sports games I have been to. I've been to too many to count. I love sporting events. My favorite sport to watch is football. I am an Alabama fan, but I will talk to you about any sports you want to share with me. So this is my figure me out sheet. So what you guys are going to do, remember, just a few more directions. You're going to print this out, and then if you can't print it out, you're going to do it on any kind of paper you have. If you don't have construction paper, that's okay. That's what I had. I thought it was more cute, so that's what I did. But you don't have to do that. If you don't have construction paper, maybe you have some printer paper. You know you don't have a printer. If you don't have that, notebook paper. We're just going to work with what we have this year. Then whenever you're writing it, if you don't have cute, colorful pens and markers and things like I had, that's okay too. You're more than welcome to use your pencil. I just want to learn more about you guys. I'm excited to have you in my class this year. Then if you don't have sticky notes, I did have sticky notes, you can just get a piece of paper and some tape. If you don't have any of that, you can just show one square at a time, cover it with your hand, and then go to the next one and cover it up and tell us the math equation that way. Whatever you have, that's what we're going to work with. We're not going to stress this year just because we don't have something at home. We're going to be really flexible, and I'm really excited to have you in my class this year. So this is my figure me out example. I'm so excited to figure you guys out and learn about you guys. Whether it's in class or it's virtual, we are going to have an amazing year, and I'm so excited to share this year with you guys. I'm ready to learn all about you guys. So go ahead and make your own figure me out. Have someone record you and upload it. There are multiple ways to upload it. When you see the submission button at the top of your Schoology page, you can record it that way. I am probably going to upload mine through YouTube. Whatever way works best for you. That's the great thing about online learning is there are multiple ways to figure out how to submit things and to do things. And if you still can't figure it out, you can see my contact information and you can either message me on Schoology or you can send me an email. Don't stress this year about things out of our control, guys. We're just going to do the very, very best we can because I'm so excited to teach you guys all about math. Math is my absolute favorite subject, and I really hope you learn to love it after this year too if you don't already. And if you do, great. We're going to have a fantastic year. We're not going to stress about things that we can't control. So, if you have any questions about this assignment, please feel free to email me, message me in Schoology. We are going to have a fantastic year. So excited to learn more about you guys. Bye!